Okay, intro to numbers and operation, lesson 1000. So this is how numbers and operations will work. All of the title screens will be orange. The title lesson will be here, and then you can search whatever you're learning by the topic. So what I suggest you do is there will be a cluster of videos covering the same topic. Is watch all of the videos covering that same topic, work through the practice problems, and then go back to whatever work you're doing. Um, these videos are intended to be, I don't know, between 6 and 10 minutes long. Hopefully, shorter than 10 minutes, closer to six. So, numbers in operation covers these six sections: counting and cardinality, dealing with counting, the ordering numbers, how numbers are named, and place value. Numbers and operations in base 10, numbers and operations fractions, ratios and proportional relationships, the number system, and then number and quantity. So I'll be doing a lot of lessons based on these six topics, and they should go in order of how these topics are arranged. This box or slide comes from the Pennsylvania Common Core Math Standards. So, um, and this is just how this is organized. So each title after the intro slide, the title slide, you'll see an objective of what we're trying to learn that day. You'll see vocabulary. You'll see rules and notes. Some videos will have it, some videos won't. Some videos will have vocabulary, some videos won't. The ones that don't have rules and notes of vocabulary are in a cluster. So I suggest you watch all the videos in a cluster. So you'll have an example, example two, and then there'll be some blank slides, and you'll have two problems, and then you'll go through a bunch of slides, and then you'll see the answer for problem one and two, and so forth. And that's how each video is going to be laid out. Everything is going to be colored differently because you may see multiple slides of problems or examples. And that is the intro to numbers and operations.